Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Conrad Kesangma hak artari ujelleu arja arpusan ulahyar sejela Assam banyakran halor ki kattu katne ki mat ki bedai hapadeng ki artli ki jela bakenthop ke jingya penbet yauput usam hapadeng ki arjela banwat ki lat ki lenti ban penduna ya ke jingslei Guwahati nalor ki we pat ki mat bat Menteri Rangba ke tai ke jela Himanta Sarma hak jingya lang ke balapen long Guwahati. Hagani kesngi lasenran lang yau Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya daubat DP wat lang Chief Secretary ke Sarkar Jela ubat Paul Lingdo Menteri ke Sarkar MDA2 nalor kiwe kat bana kaliang ke Jela Assam pan nalor Himanta lasenran lang daki Menteri Sarkar nalor ki he officer. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor ki Menteri Rangba ki arjala kila pentip baka Sarkar Meghalaya bat Sarkar Assam kila Mynjur ban pendap no ya ke jingsi Mawpud batikna hakin Tylli ki Jaka kabla dap penyakran penbej. Nakaliang Himanta ula pentip baka Jaka badang dan jing FPR jing mut kadai kathan pilang kata ya kaba ular yathu bagi Deputy Commissioner jong boro Tylli ki Jela kinse song penyakran penbej ya kani kakam.
Regarding the border dispute, as you know that in presence of Honorable Union Home Minister, we have resolved 6 disputed sites out of 12. Now, most important thing is to see that boundary pillar is erected in the places, that is the 6 places where we both states agreed to resolve the boundary dispute. Out of that, there is 1 or 2 small pending requests from Government of Meghalaya. We have said that this request will be considered by us and will inform Government of Meghalaya within a week time. There is some readjustment is required in Tarabari and Gijang. An equal portion of land will be provided to Assam and some village will be adjusted in favor of Meghalaya. So those small 2 issues will resolve within a week, and thereafter we are confident that we will be able to erect boundary pillar in 5 disputed sites before 15 August. Regarding 1 disputed site of Pilinkata, although we have agreement, but there is little interpretation issue. So our both the deputy commissioner in both sides will sit down again and will try to resolve that dispute also. Regarding other 6 disputed sites, we have decided to keep talking and keep working, and we'll see that this remaining 6 disputed sites also get resolved within a short period of time. However, we have not laid any time frame. We want to discuss in a in an environment of mutual trust, friendship and confidence. We'll keep on discussing on that.
Haba ben rap ya kajing pentep Menteri Rangba ka Jela Assam Conrad Kesangma ulong bayaki kam ki berit baria la dap bani penbej lot bat menta kajing se yau Mawpud haki Tylli ki Jaka la khmilenti ban dap chwa ka Independence Day.
On the issue of border, as mentioned by Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, that we had signed an historic agreement and MOU for the 6 areas of differences, and now that we are very close to actually finalizing the pillars, small issues are there which need to be resolved, which we have discussed in detail today, and I'm happy to inform you that most likely by the 15th of August, or rather before the 15th of August, we will be able to resolve and finalize the actual pillars in the different, in the 5 areas of differences before the 15th of August, which, as I said, will be a major milestone and another strong testament of the friendship between Assam State, Assam government and the government of Meghalaya.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi the office jong Commissionariat of Food Safety Shillong Meghalaya.